everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. If you've never seen these big old cheeks before, then do go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also go ahead and turn your notifications on so you don't ever miss a video from me. So for today's video, I am super excited because it is sponsored by Mota brushes and I am their Mota Maven for the month of March. And because of that, y'all can go ahead and get 20% off of your orders from Mota brushes with my code BUNNY. It's right down here. I'm also going to put it down in the description box so that you can go ahead and stock up on some of these amazing brushes that they do offer. So I do want to talk about two of their new sets that came up, and Mota has a brush, in my opinion, for everybody. Like if you are into metallics, if you're into bling, if you're into just straight black brushes, if you're into colors, like they've got so much variety and all of it is affordable and all of it is awesome in terms of the quality that they offer. So you don't have to worry about animal hairs or anything like that. So they're vegan and cruelty free. So that's always a plus. Now, I've got two kits that I want to talk about today that Mota just released. These are super duper adorable. And I love the fact that Mota usually does kits. They do have single brushes, by the way, but a lot of their brushes are in kits. So that makes it super duper affordable as well. I forgot to mention too, you guys can find these at Walmart. That's how accessible they are to you. Like even if you don't decide to get them online, go to Walmart, check them out, but it's always best to check online because that's where all the new stuff is, right? And then you get to use my code to get some money off. So the first one I want to talk about, this one is called Mota Renew and it's beautiful. Now what I love about this one is that Mota has basically created a brush in response to like climate change and things like that. So this one is more earth friendly. These are earth friendly makeup brushes. They are biodegradable. The handles are biodegradable and they have sustainable handles. And with all Mota brushes, they're cruelty free and these are 100% vegan with no animal products used in this one. So if that's something that you're looking for, you know, if you want to reduce your carbon footprint beauty-wise and you want to have more sustainable beauty within your beauty routine, then I would say go ahead and pick up the Mota Renew. These, again, are earth-friendly makeup brushes. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the kit so you guys can take a look at it. So for the Mota Renew brush kit, this is a 5-piece brush kit. You get 4 brushes and you also get this gorgeous pouch. This is a very sturdy pouch, guys. This is perfect for keeping your items on the go. You can just toss them in here. Let me see if they all fit. Yep, they all fit inside of the pouch and there's actually room for more brushes, so do keep that in mind when you're getting this. So this cotton canvas pouch is really nice. It has the this is an embossed Mota logo on here. It is like, I want to say like a silver type of color on there, so that's really nice. And this particular brush pouch, it is canvas, so you can use it for other things if you don't want to use it for your brushes. There's no smell. Like sometimes canvas can have a smell and this one does not have a smell. I'm super duper excited about this kit because the handles on it are biodegradable. So Mota also has like a recycling program and they also have different ideas about recycling or upcycling your brushes. So do go ahead on over to motabrush.com to check that out. So the biodegradable handles, these are made from a sustainable plant-based polymer material. So that is wonderful. I'm trying to feel them to see how they feel. They do feel lightweight. That's nice. Now the brushes themselves, oh, definitely that signature Mota softness. I cannot stress that enough. In this kit, you get a buffer brush. So this one is great for like foundation, liquid or powder foundation if you're trying to just buff it into the skin. This next brush is your shader brush. So you could go ahead and do your eyeshadow with this one. The next one, this is a detail brush. So this is great for getting underneath the lash line. If you just want to add a little bit of sparkle to your inner corner, this one is good for that. And the last brush is your contour brush. Obviously, you can go ahead and contour with this. So you basically have 4 brushes that can get the job done. Like I said to you guys all the time, just because a brush says that it does one thing doesn't mean that it can't do the next. So you can basically do your whole face with just these 4 brushes. I love the fact that these are as eco-friendly as they are beautiful. This jade colored green is just, it's just really pretty, you guys. So again, if you're looking for an eco-friendly option, like I said, if you're trying to create a sustainable makeup routine or a sustainable makeup collection, then I think the Mota Renew brushes are a great way to start. Now the next kit I want to share with you, this one is by Mota Metallics, and Mota does have a metallic line. They have a gold and a silver, but this one is a bit different. This one is in the shade Emerald Crackle. So this is their crackle kit. So the crackle design actually happens on the handle. Super duper excited about this one. This is a 6-piece kit, so you get 5 brushes, and you also get a nice little pouch in this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. Okay guys, so everything is out of the kit. Here is your brush pouch. I have used these pouches for so much things, like just throwing my makeup in it. I've used these to have snacks. Like, these are very versatile little bags, guys, and as always, you can just toss your brushes inside of them for easy on-the-go carrying and travel purposes. But here is the beautiful crackle brushes. These are so gorgeous. They'll definitely make an amazing addition to your vanity, guys. This luxury crackle, like an emerald color, the ferrules match. Like, this is so beautiful. Very, very smooth, so you don't have to worry about any like ridges or anything like that. That crackle design is nicely placed inside there. It gives you that like, these are so pretty. Like, they will definitely light up your life when you're doing your makeup. Like, beautiful color. Gorgeous. Now let's talk about the brushes that are inside of this kit. As always, these are vegan, 100% vegan in terms of the bristles and everything like that. But we get a multi-purpose powder brush, which is this one right here. Gorgeous. The brushes on here are like a gray color, so I think that's a good contrast to the emerald green crackle ferrules and handle that we have going on. So nice and soft multi-purpose powder brush. This is great for like blush, or if you want to go ahead and add powder in a specific area very lightly, that's great for this, or an all over powder if you want to as well. Next, we have a contour, of course. Mota always wants to make sure that you are snatched, honey. So we've got a contour brush in here. We also have a small eye shader brush, definitely great for applying your eyeshadow. It is flat, so you can also go ahead and do your nose with this one as well, or any little detail work that you might have. This also here is an angled eyeliner, so you can go ahead and add your gel liner, or if you use gel for your brows, you can go ahead and use that for this too. It's not super duper stiff, so that's good. So it gives you a little bit of wiggle room there with that in terms of usage. And the last brush is a smoky eye brush. So definitely if you want to go ahead and smoke at your eye, you can do that. If you want to add a little bit of detail in the inner corner, you can do that as well. So nice set. Definitely, again, one of those kits that you can just do your whole face and your eyes with, and you're good to go. I just think this is beautiful. This is going to complement like your vanity perfectly. They are gorgeous. Now the Mota Metallics Crackle Kit does come in 2 colors, the emerald green color that I have right now, and it also comes in rose gold. So if you're into rose gold and you want that rose gold vibe on your vanity, then definitely pick that one up. But right now I am super satisfied with the emerald green one. If you want more pictures, you can definitely check out MissBeautyBunny.com to see more pictures up close of these particular brushes. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Do let me know down in the comment section what you thought about these brushes. Like, I'm really excited. I'm really proud of Mota for producing the Mota Renew line. I do hope we get more colors besides the jade. Even though the jade is beautiful, I do hope we get more colors out of this line, so people can have a lot more options when it comes to creating a sustainable makeup brush collection. All right, you guys, so thank you for watching today's video, and as always, I've got my coupon code down there so you guys can check out Mota brushes, and I will see you in my next video really soon. Mwah. Bye.